What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with ericellisjr.com, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I generated over $1,800, just under $2,000 with affiliate marketing in less than 48 hours, in less than 2 days. And more importantly, how you can use the same methods to crush it in your affiliate marketing business. You're here, and first and foremost, if you don't know who I am and who this light-skinned guy is, I'm a digital marketer, aka digital entrepreneur, and ended up walking away from the corporate lifestyle, got into entrepreneurship very early, and actually ended up doing quite well, generating 6 figures offline, but I didn't have time and location freedom, so I transitioned to digital marketing, right? I was a college dropout. Nobody thought I was going to be successful, but I had a chip on my shoulder, wanted to prove people wrong, and over time basically got access to mentorship, started freaking crushing it in my online business, and now I'm a full-time digital nomad where I travel full-time, and I live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. And the whole objective of me doing content marketing and basically creating content is to help people get the same results and live the same lifestyle, time, location, and financial freedom. In this video, we're literally going to go ahead and cover one of those things. One thing that has helped me generate $1,800 within the last 2 days, right? And more importantly, how you can literally duplicate those results. Now, exactly what I just did in this video, right, is an example of what you need to start doing with your actual marketing. And I apologize ahead of time, there's going to be random noises out here. I'm currently traveling in Cambodia. I'm a full-time traveler, digital nomad, some might say, to where I work literally using my iPhone and my MacBook. Simply just use this, and all I need is Wi-Fi, right? Here I'm currently in a beautiful freaking hut in Cambodia. The views are freaking amazing, the scenery is amazing, right? And basically what I've been doing this whole time in this video is a formula and a strategy and a method that I'm going to teach you in a second, step by step, and how you can actually use this to generate way more sales in your affiliate marketing business, so that way you can crush it, make $1,800 or $2,000 in 2 days, and even more, right? I've generated $2,000 days, right? Imagine that. And the way I do that is simply by this freaking formula. It's called the attraction marketing formula. It's called RVL, and I use this in all my marketing. And if you've paid attention to a lot of my YouTube videos, you notice this in the future, right? And this comes with all of your marketing, right? With your email marketing, with your Facebook advertisement, with your content marketing with YouTube, with any type of marketing, Facebook, right? On Facebook, on Instagram. This formula is going to set you free, and it's going to help you crush it in your affiliate marketing business. And this has not only $1,800 in 2 days, guys, this is responsible for hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales, right? Approaching $1 million in sales in my business, right? And I'm gonna give you the juice, right? So it's called the RVL formula, right? And I've been using it this whole time, right? And I'm gonna literally break down what I actually did and how it helps me generate sales within my business, right? Now the first one, the R, is whenever you're marketing to people, right? Whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube, whether it's actual campaigns, paid advertisement campaigns, email marketing, right? There's a set of these 3 pieces of content that you want to produce, and within this actual video I use all 3, and I'm gonna break it down, right? Number 1 is results. Number 2 is value. Number 3 is lifestyle. It's called the RVL formula, and that is responsible for millions of dollars, maybe billions of dollars in sales and affiliate marketing, right? Now, what is the RVL formula? R for results. Let's start with results. So an example, when I first started this video, I let you know, and this is why you're still watching it, I let you know in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to generate a little under $2,000 within the last 2 days. So that's about $1,000 a day. So that is results, right? Results sell, guys. And one key and one people watching this, they're like, I'm brand new to affiliate marketing. I'm brand new. I don't know how to, I don't have any results. Eric, how can I basically create content about my own results when I don't have any, right? Now, here's the thing, what's pretty awesome is even if you don't have your own results, you can use somebody else's results. An example is if you were promoting my course, right? And you were an affiliate for my course, you could simply show my results, right? The person who's actually running the course. You can show, if you're promoting a business opportunity, you can promote people's results who are crushing it in your business. If there's an affiliate program and there's a whole bunch of people actually getting results in the business, figure out who are getting results, right? Figure out who are getting results. If there's a Facebook group or something like that, usually with Facebook groups, depending on what you're promoting as an affiliate, there's usually the top affiliates who are in that Facebook group, and they usually post their results to inspire people, to motivate people, right? What you could do is you could literally grab and swipe those results. You're not going to claim them as your own. You're simply going to say, look at what this person has been able to acquire to get results within this business. An example of results is, let's just say you're promoting a fitness product, right? It doesn't have to be income claims. It could literally be, I lost 5 pounds in 2 days. I lost 10 pounds in 2 days, right? Whatever the desired results of the person you are trying to sell your product to is, you want to promote those results. So if my desire is to lose weight, right? If that's your target audience, you promote those results. If my desire is to make money, you promote those results. In this video, I told you $1,800, and this is truth, this is fact, right? But I'm leveraging my results to actually persuade you to watch this video, and it does increase the amount of people that buy my products, because the proof is in the pudding. When somebody's getting results, they rather invest into this guy instead of this Joe Schmo or this freaking basic Jane who's not getting results in their business, whether it's fitness, romance, right? If you're promoting romance and you get a whole bunch of girls and you say, look at the results that I'm getting with this romance product, or whatever the hell it is, results is important because it gives that social proof. It gives that reassurance to that person who actually wants to get results in that field, and they're thinking to themselves, if this person is getting these results by applying these steps, then I can go ahead and apply the same things or use that product and get the same results. So number one is results. Very crucial. I use this within the beginning of this video just to show you exactly how it works, and I use this in all my marketing. Whether it's email marketing, I'd post results of something that a client's getting, or an affiliate of mine, or a student, or whatever. Posting results is important. Get that out of the way. Next is value. How am I using value in this video? Let's see if you can get it. I'm teaching you this, right? I'm teaching you this formula. This is value, right? People buy from people they know, like, and trust. If people don't trust you, they're not going to buy from you. How can you present yourself as an authority, and how can you build that trust factor with people? Simply by providing value. Because people who just want a quick buck, they don't provide value. So it's easy to weed out the people, number one, that don't know what the hell they're talking about, and number two, the people who are just trying to sell you some shit because they're not providing any value to the marketplace. People are just saying, buy my product, buy my product, buy my product. You know what I say to them? Fuck you, right? And excuse my language, but I curse. If you're gonna watch my content, I curse, right? So that's how I feel about those. F you. You wanna sell something, but you don't wanna provide value? I believe in Gary Vee's rule, 51-49%. I want to always bare minimum, be providing 51% more value than the income that you're actually putting out there. Meaning I always want to over deliver in value. So in your content marketing, provide value. In your email marketing, provide value. Meaning if you're just sending pitch emails, you're not going to get results. If you're sending emails, but then you might send a video like this, which provides value, or you send a video or a blog or something that provides value to your list, you're gonna build a relationship with that list. If you're providing valuable content on your Facebook within your niche, right? Tips on losing weight if your niche is weight loss. Tips on romance if your niche is romance, right? You provide value and you're going to get people who start to trust you, and you're going to build a relationship with the people who are following you, right? That's going to literally increase your conversions by 10 times, because again, people, that's how you build a core audience. Most of the reason why I get sales is because I provide a ridiculous amount of value. I always get results, and then we're going to go into the third one. But the proof is in the pudding, guys. People always ask me, how do you get results? How are you getting sales? How are you generating income? How are you generating so much income? This right here, this video is gonna be one of the most important videos that you ever watch, right? Always results, and if you don't have any results, leverage somebody else's results. Meaning if it's a product and it's a weight loss product and you're freaking ripped up already, but other people are getting results with it, show other people's results, right? Whatever you're selling, show results. Number 2 is value. Provide value around that content. And guys, I'm lazy as shit. I don't like to work hard, right? I like to be on locations like this, on the freaking waterfront. My hut is right there, right? I don't like to work hard. So let me tell you a secret, right? Instead of you creating content like mine, right, you can literally create value by using other people's content. It's the distribution method. You distribute other people's content. Distribute my content. If I'm your niche, distribute my content. Steal it. Use it, leverage it. I would be flattered, right? You're helping me build my brand. You think somebody's gonna be mad that you shared their blog post, or that you shared their YouTube video, or that you shared their article, right? They're not gonna be mad. So steal other people's shit. Use it to provide value to your following. Easy, right? And last but not least, number freaking 3 is lifestyle. Now this one is one of the tricky ones, right? Because it's hard to fake a lifestyle. It's easy for me to portray a lifestyle, and how I showed you within the beginning of this video, there's B-roll footage of me living the lifestyle that most people want to live, right? I'm traveling full-time. I always tell people that I'm traveling full-time. I'm currently touring Asia, staying in a hut, basically live the digital nomad lifestyle. I'm promoting lifestyle, right? You're gonna be more than likely to buy something from me instead of somebody else because I have your desired lifestyle, right? So the thing is that if you're not on yachts and planes, and listen, just show your life and show the extra freedom or the extra income or whatever you're getting from whatever you're offering, right? Show that lifestyle, because you want to sell off of people's desires and their wants. People don't buy off of what they need, unfortunately, right? If I say, this is going to help you lose 5 pounds a day or whatever the hell, or this is going to teach you the step-by-step process of what you need to get results in your business, right? People don't want to hear that. An example, right? An example is, I'm gonna get more views on this video, and I'm just trying to show you guys that this shit works. I'm gonna get more videos on this video because instead of saying teach how to do the RVL formula, I put how to make, or he made $1,800 in 48 hours. It's clickbaity, right? People automatically want to watch it more because it's not selling off of needs. I'm selling off of people's wants and desires. So I'm showing people, you're gonna make this, I make these type of results, right? And then once they come inside my video, they're gonna see I'm living this type of lifestyle. So when you're promoting your lifestyle, or some type of lifestyle, even if you don't have the fancy cars, the fancy watches, traveling full time, even if you're working in a coffee shop with your laptop, right? That's an example of lifestyle. Even if you're basically working out and you're wearing fitness clothes and you're living the healthy lifestyle, or a shake, right? A smoothie because you're in the health niche, or whatever your niche is, promote that lifestyle because you're promoting what people want and what people desire, and they're gonna be more inclined to actually buy what you're selling because you have that lifestyle, right? And I did it in the beginning of the video. This whole video has all 3 of these, and I do this in all my marketing, right? And people wonder why I get results, right? Because there's certain little secrets that there are in the difference between people who succeed and people who fail, right? So number 1 is results. Leverage either your results or other people's results within your niche in your business. Number 2 is value. Make sure you're providing value to the marketplace. If you're new to the industry and you don't know enough to actually provide value like myself, then go ahead. There's 2 things. I have 2 things for you. Number 1 is leverage other people's value, and number 2 is called learn, do, teach. Learn from other people like myself, right? Do it, get results, and then teach it to others, right? That's where you can provide value. You learn it, you do it, you teach it. And then last but not least is lifestyle. Promote lifestyle. It doesn't have to be the fanciest luxury lifestyle. I promise you that people will be attracted to your business, and you'll generate more sales in your affiliate marketing business by getting or by promoting your lifestyle, right? So with that being said, appreciate you so freaking much. This was some fire ass content. So if you don't subscribe after this, I don't know what to tell you, right? And make sure you smash that damn subscribe button. I just repeated myself, but that's how important it is. And make sure to like this video, right? Drop a like, show your boy some love, because I'm showing you love by taking time out of my day, right? I'd be sipping pina coladas right now, but I'm taking time out of my day to give you this damn fire content. So show your boy some love with the like, and more importantly, drop a comment below, so that way you tell me if you gain any value, or more importantly, some sort of video you'd like for me to do in the future. And special bonus, special gift for you. I do have a course called Affiliates or Jumpstart Affiliate. You can find it at jumpstartaffiliate.com. If you think this video was valuable, imagine over 40 videos of a step-by-step process on how to get results in your affiliate marketing business. If you have no idea what the hell you're doing and you want to get started or generate a passive income, this is for you. If you don't know how to get results in your current affiliate marketing business, this is for you. If you have or joined an affiliate marketing business and they don't have any training, right, this is for you. This will be the step-by-step process on how you can get results, right? How you can live the lifestyle like I'm living, right? How you can make the type of money that I'm making, and generally how you can live the life that you truly desire, right? So grab access to that course. And number two, I'm going to give you access to a free ebook down below, link in the description, or you can go to affiliatesplaybook.com. Now, with that being said, practice what I preach. Shameless plug. I'm going to go ahead and provide value, right? I'm going to show you my results, and I'm going to go ahead and pitch you. That is what it is, and I hope that you can respect that, because I'm literally teaching you how to do this, and this is going to help you make thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars in the future, right? So with that being said, grab that damn course, grab that ebook, and I will see you on the other side.